After the surgery, they roll you into your room. They already have it ready waiting for you. And um, everyone that I came into contact with there was so customer service oriented. They just, whatever I needed or wanted. Barbara was there with my husband. She had brought him up and had him waiting there. The nurses came in. Everyone there, from the nurses to the physician assistant, was just wonderful. Anything I needed or wanted. And it's that floor, that joint unit or floor is just incredible. You never wanted for anything, not even from the ladies that brought you your food to eat or the cleaning lady, LaShonda. Everybody went out of their way to make sure you had what you need while they're in your room. And when I first came out, I was in a little bit of pain. I didn't remember that last time, but I think you forget, but I was in a little bit of pain, but they immediately gave me medicine and stayed on top of it. And of course, I got up and went to the restroom probably within 3 hours of coming out of surgery. And they let me get up and go to the restroom every single time after that. The next morning, the physical therapist people came in and worked with me to be able to make sure I could go up the steps and come back down them, and then they discharged me to go home. Wendy Williams came in, the physician assistant. She was wonderful. She was there last year as well, so it was nice to have a familiar face. And she did a great job, listened to my update and how I felt, and then they released me. And it didn't take, as soon as I was ready to go, as soon as the physician assistant signed off, and they said I was good to clear, I bet I was out within 30 minutes from being released.